What's your gamer tag?
My gamer tag?
Yeah.
Whizbang 57.
Whizbang 57.
No, Flash.
Flash 57.
That was his nickname, right?
Oh,
No, I was in like junior high. I've never had a nickname.
you've never had a nickname?
Flash, when I was in the little Pee Wee League, they called me Flash because I could run in the base.
Oh, nice. Going to a wedding, going to Lecture Fan Senior's daughter's friend's wedding.
Yes. Can I tell you what country I'm in?
Yeah, you can tell us the
I'm in
location.
the United States of America.
What state?
Montana.
What town?
Well, the one I'm from or the one I'm in?
The one you're in.
I'm in Bozeman.
Okay. What day is it?
Today is the 16th of June, 2018.
Can you do an introduction to the first drone video of the vlog?
So today there's going to be a vlog done by Lecture Fan, and it's a day that he's visiting Lecture Fan Senior and Lecture Fan Seniorette.
Miss Lecture Fan Senior.
Miss Lecture Fan Senior. And it should really be a good, exciting vlog.
Okay, so where was the first drone video?
It was in a little village in Montana.
Little village in Montana.
Okay, so
Are you on the way?
we're gonna break away to the drone footage now.
We went, we got our things, we got back to the house, and then it was like curl hair time. And it was, come out and take a picture. I'm like, okay, I'm halfway done. Okay, curl. Look at the earrings she got me.
Oh, they're like those. She got they match
Like her ring.
Did she give all you girls stuff?
We got a bunch of different gifts and stuff, and this was the one that was supposed to go with all the girls for the bachelorette party, which I was in here for. So yeah, she got really nice things. Yeah. What is this?
Oh, it's a wind block.
Yeah, it's the jankiest one I've ever seen.
But anyways, I was gonna say, welcome to the Lecture Fan vlog.
Thank you. I'm so happy to be here.
Is this gonna be the first vlog that you're in on the Lecture Fan channel?
Well, I've been in possibly a clip or two with the family.
Right.
But no, personally talking to the camera, actually a part of the vlog, first time.
So
cool, so welcome.
Feeling good.
Do you naturally put your hands together and say thank you now?
No, they don't. That's a Korean thing.
Oh.
It's a Korean thing?
So
And Japanese, I think.
It's not Chinese?
No, that's just I want to be gracious.
Cool. So you're living in Beijing right now?
Beijing, China.
How long you been there?
Songzhuang is the place where I live.
No way, seriously? Say it again.
Songzhuang.
Wow, that's pretty good.
Thank
Cool.
you. Yeah, I really like it. I've been there for going on 3 years.
How is it to be back in Montana after being in China for 3 years?
Way better,
It's so nice.
Oh, yeah.
I just Americans have this way of talking to strangers and being kind to one another in public places that is unmatched throughout the world.
Right. Do you notice that particularly with respect to the lost generations, don't they call it, or the older generation in China that in China that lived through Cultural Revolution?
Yeah.
Aren't they particularly rude in China?
Well, it's unless you're close, you're nothing. You know, like
Right, okay.
there's definitely a you have to have some sort of
Right.
Family connection.
family connection, value, reason for them to be kind. Otherwise, yeah, they got too much shit to do.
Okay.
They got too many people to deal with.
Okay.
You don't exist, almost.
Right.
Yeah.
Have you ever heard of the YouTuber Serpent ZA?
Yeah, Serpent ZA.
Serpent ZA, yeah. Do you watch his stuff?
I do.
Isn't he great?
Lawa86.
Lawa86, yeah, cool. I didn't know that you. These are two of the biggest American, actually, Serpent ZA is South African,
South African.
and the other is Canadian.
Oh no, he is Chinese.
Yeah, no, but they're both in China and they're both YouTubers.
And
really?
they're both
Yeah.
married to Chinese women, and they have found each other because they both started like YouTube channels a long time ago, and then they're really into motorcycles.
Yeah,
And-
so they got a bunch of motorcycles
And
across
they
China.
motorcycle all over around China.
Yeah.
And into these really remote places,
Cool.
and
Yeah.
they do
Wow.
some really good vlogs. And they both,
Cool.
they both got Chinese wives, and so they have that little bit of perspective, and
Right.
they,
Did you know that a lot of the Chinese people don't like Serpent ZA because they think he's being negative about China when he's really just
yes,
explaining
Both
sort of how it is.
Any sort of like, yeah, he's explaining things that are possibly negative in Chinese society, trying to get actually better perspectives on it from the Western world. And so then the Chinese people see like the title of his video and they're like, oh, you jerk.
Right.
Really?
What do you think of that?
It's their country.
It's all good. Okay.
I'll be peeking through doors, every one of them carefully closing. You don't need to tell, I'm out of time. Felt it trickle into the heart of mine. Say, is this when I gave or I gave up? It's like I know what to say, but something's getting in the way. This person that you saw.
So how long have you known me?
Probably like 28 years.
Right. Yeah, we grew up next to each other, right?
Yeah, we did grow up together. You digging that huge hole in the backyard?
Why was I so particular about that?
I don't know. You didn't want girls in your hole.
I mean, that was quite the adventure, wasn't
That
it?
thing was big.
Yeah.
Where was it?
It's like back in that.
Wasn't
like,
it in the garden
where
area?
Yeah, where the garden is.